My name's Lanny Armstrong. I'm the Fire Chief of Pasadena, Texas. This is our 75-foot Impel cab Pierce ladder truck. We have started specifications on that about February of 2019, and here we are in September or October, end of August, and we're doing the final on it. So they've done a really good job of getting this ladder truck put together. We're very, very pleased with the outcome. The specifications were great. We had a lot of input from our firefighters that this truck's going to be assigned to. One of the best features of it, we actually included the Texas flag in the grill. That makes our citizens really happy when they see that. Turned out really, really well. This is our third Pierce apparatus this year. We took delivery of 2 engines in February. We've been really, really pleased with them, and we had added that Texas flag feature there as well. A couple of things that we did a little bit different that works for us. We are prone to flooding in the Pasadena, Texas area, so we have to, when we specify these trucks, we have to keep in mind they may go into some water. So the intake's about 32 inches off the ground, the air intake, which is a kind of a different feature, but pretty standard on these Impel cabs as I understand it. We actually are missing a graphic on the door we brought up. We just recently achieved ISO Class 1 rating, so we're really, really proud of that. And these apparatus have really helped contribute to that factor, so we're really pleased with it. One of the features that we put on our 75-foot aerial as well as our engines are vertical crosslays. What we found is with horizontal crosslays, they typically get too high, and when they get up high, we have trouble with people being able to deploy the hose lines properly. So we added vertical crosslays here, 3 of them, for 1 3/4 hose for hand lines, attack lines. That's worked out real well for us. Side mount pump, it's a 2,000 GPM pump. We are in a heavily industrialized area in the Pasadena area. We're a suburb of Houston, pretty much the petrochemical capital of the world. So we really kind of have to specify these apparatus, these fire apparatus, for industrial use as well as municipal. So we have some pretty high volume capabilities. We can flow about 2,500 gallons a minute out of this ladder pipe. So we're looking forward to exercising that, see how far we can get with it. The paint scheme we changed a few years ago. We went to a solid red cab as opposed to, we used to have a white top. And we go with the chevrons down the side. And the anodized aluminum doors, roll-up doors. Gives us a real contrast, but we're really pleased with that. High visibility at night, that's another reason that we've gone to that. So we're really pleased with the paint job. Pretty standard features for a 75-foot aerial ladder. Pierce has done a great job of putting these things together for us. The specifications were pretty simple. It's a pretty straightforward truck. We've got a Harrison generator on top with cord reels and J-boxes on the very top for electrical supply. We can deploy those off each side of the truck. Very easily deployed. They've got 150 foot of cord on them, so we can pull those up and set up lighting or whatever electronics we need. Now, one of the more unique features that we put on this ladder truck, we changed up the hose bed. We typically run about 300 foot of large diameter 5-inch hose on our ladder trucks. We really don't want them to have to lay large diameter hose. We'd rather our engines lay into them. And so we added this open top feature so that we can load the large diameter hose onto this ladder truck without much effort. Some of the previous ladder trucks that we have, it's extremely difficult to load 5-inch hose in because it's a tunnel and you have to literally crawl in and push the 5-inch all the way to the back, which is hard to do. So this is a really unique feature. We really like that. Along with that 5-inch hose bed, we really specified a lot of compartments with pull-out doors, adjustable trays, pull-out tool boards. This really gives us a lot of options for hand tools as well as extrication equipment, saws, fans, typical ladder truck tool ensemble. So we're really pleased with that as well. Standard pump configuration, soft suction on one side, discharge. A lot of room in the cab. We're really pleased with that. These are 6-person cabs. They'll seat 6. Hand lights for each individual firefighter in the back, and then 2 up front, one for the driver and one for the officer, and then handheld chargers. We're really pleased with the inside of those cabs. And it's kind of a unique feature too. We left the insides of them red. Most of them are black. Yeah, we really enjoyed we really take a lot of pride in keeping those red interiors, because that's kind of been a standard for our fire department. And Pierce was gracious enough to let us leave it red. Pretty nice ladder truck. We're very, very pleased with it. Looking forward to getting it in service. All right, appreciate the opportunity to show our ladder truck off. A lot of the specs that we put in this are pretty standard, but also we've added a few of our own little features. Gratitude to Pierce for building a great truck for us. Thanks.